So it's not just about bringing EV as a product, but how do you bring EV as a revolution, which is in different customer journeys and which will truly bring an impact to the real Indian consumer. Who are trying to influence consumer behavior. All the 4 C's from the 4 P's have come to the 4 I's today, right? And let me explain the 4 I's. And I think I truly believe not just marketers, but growth leaders of today, because marketers of today, of course, love all the debonair of what we do, but we also love databases. And that's what I love about what Ather does through their website. Honestly, it's phenomenal with the way they communicate with customer is seamless customer journey, very simple, extremely simple. And when I come to the 4 I's, I think Nilesh and Vivek both spoke about it, but I just want to add is that it starts from, insight, which is very important to understand your consumer, where she or he comes from. And then intelligence, not just about your own category. While EV is the most important category and people are adapting, there was a time when people didn't know how OTT will become such a big thing. I'm just trying to just put perspective. This is the same consumer because of Geo, and these are customers who are consuming content all over our country. And this is 98% of our population. And I think it comes all to education, which is what is Intel. And then inspiring why EV is so important. I think Nilesh spoke about that. That is education. And that education has to be extremely simple for consumer to understand. If I don't adopt this, it is not good for me. When it becomes it's not good for everybody, that's when I think the Indian consumer behaves very differently. Our customer has also evolved over a period of time. And I think the most important, personally, I think for me is impact. And when I talk about impact as marketers, because it's about influencing consumer behavior, I think one is that the EV momentum or EV movement has begun, and it's very, very important. But ultimately, every business has to lead to profit. It has to lead to business, right? And most importantly, make an impact in consumers' life. I think those two vehicles, when will come together, is when we will see the real revolution, because we still have a long way to understand that single platform, technical improvement, new innovations coming in this platform, the product life cycles are going to change. A 5-year product life cycle is going to become 1-year product life cycle. And I think maybe Vivek can throw more light on it, but that just changes the spectrum of suppliers, changing the whole logistics of it, how systems work. How do you tell your consumer that maybe now you don't get so many products, but one single product you get, it can encapsulate the whole overall experience you would get in 5 products. So it's not just about bringing EV as a product, but how do you bring EV as a revolution, which is in different customer journeys and which will truly bring an impact to the real Indian consumer. And that we see more in the 2-wheeler side right now and 3-wheeler side as compared to, if I were to say, passenger vehicle or 4-wheelers, considering the price optimism leading up to sales.